Hi guys, I'm Stu and welcome back to another LumaFusion video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do a sliding letterbox effect in LumaFusion. So I've got a couple of clips here and we're going to use them to do two different styles. First one being more of a sliding doors effect and the second one being the sliding letterbox effect that you saw at the beginning. So let's get started. Okay, so let's do the sliding door effect, which I think is a good name for it. What we're going to do is select the clip and then go into our size and position. You're going to make sure you're at the beginning of your clip, go to cropping, and then you're going to set your left to just before 50 and then just use the arrows to get smack bang on 50%, and then do exactly the same to the right. And crop in again, just get as close as you can, and then finish off by tapping up to 50. And then we're going to start with a keyframe. Then we're going to advance, and I'm probably going to do it for around about 3 seconds in total. So we're looking at here, drop another keyframe, and then now all you've got to do this time is just double tap each of the crops until they reset themselves, and then we can go back and play this through and you'll see the effect being applied. That's looking good. The other thing that we can do if we go back to the crop at the beginning is you can add a little bit of edge softness. This is obviously optional, but I tend to do it around about between 7 and 9. And if we go to here, just make sure the edge softness is set the same as the beginning. Then we can go back and play the clip in. Now you'll notice you get a feathering top and bottom as well. Now aesthetically that can look okay, especially if you're wanting to do an aged effect, but we don't really want to be doing that. So we're going to go down to size and position, and I'm just going to increase the size of the video to 110% just to make it large enough, get rid of that top and bottom vignetting and side to side. And that looks pretty cool. Then the other way of doing it is just going top and bottom. If you want to do the sliding letterbox effect, then all we have to do is go into our size and position. First of all, go to cropping, make sure you're at the beginning of the clip, add your keyframe. I've already got my edge softness set to 8, so the top comes down to 50% and then the bottom comes up to 50%. And then I managed to get them spot on without having to tap in any other information. Then bring your keyframer along, your timeline rather. Bring your timeline to 3 seconds, drop another keyframe, and then double tap the top, double tap the bottom, and that should be it done. We just go back, press play. We're then going into size and position, and we're just going to increase the size to 10% above 110% basically, 10% above where we need to be, and that helps us disguise the vignetted edge as I showed you already. There we go, and that's all you've got to do. I'll take one more look at it. I'll go full screen and let you see this. What I would probably do to finish off is just cut the footage at the end of the audio as well. I might actually just trim it in a little bit and just take away that little snippet there. Again, tap and play. So it goes straight to black. We can even add in a blank clip at the back end just so you get the full effect. And there we go, that's the video tutorial for today. So if you do all the YouTube stuff, like and subscribe and ring the notification bell, and I will catch you on the next LumaFusion video tutorial. Bye!